In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download WooCommerce. Whether you're building an online store from scratch or seeking to expand your e-commerce capabilities on an existing WordPress site, WooCommerce is a powerful tool that will help you get started. First, let's log into your WordPress dashboard. To do that, open your preferred web browser and go to the login page for your WordPress site. Enter your username and password, and you'll be taken directly to the WordPress dashboard. This is essentially your control room where all the magic happens. Once inside your dashboard, you'll want to focus your attention on the left-hand menu. Here, you'll see an array of options, but for now, we'll be honing in on the one labeled Plugins. Hover over it with your cursor, and a little drop-down menu will appear. From here, click on Add New. This is where you can access thousands of plugins that enhance and expand the functionality of your WordPress website. Now, in the Add Plugins page, you'll see a search bar on the right-hand side. Type in WooCommerce and press Enter. WooCommerce should be one of the first results that appear. Take a moment to ensure you've selected the right plugin. You'll see its logo and information, which confirms it's the official plugin you're looking for. When you're ready, click on the Install Now button. The button will turn into a progress indicator as WordPress downloads and installs WooCommerce. Depending on your internet speed and server performance, installation could take a minute or two. Be patient while the magic happens in the background. When the installation is complete, the button will change to Activate. Click on it. Activating a plugin is like flipping the power switch. It's now ready for use on your site. Immediately after activating WooCommerce, its setup wizard will launch automatically. This wizard is designed to streamline the configuration process for you. The WooCommerce setup wizard will guide you step by step through creating essential pages like Shop, Cart, Checkout, and My Account. It will also assist in setting up payments, shipping options, and other foundational e-commerce elements. Don't rush through this part, as these settings form the backbone of your online store's functionality. Each step is accompanied by clear instructions, but you can skip or modify details if needed. Remember, you'll always be able to go back and make adjustments later. And that's it! You've successfully downloaded and installed WooCommerce onto your WordPress site. I hope you found this guide straightforward and helpful. If you have any questions or need help with advanced configurations, feel free to leave a comment below. Keep an eye out for more tutorials from us to make the most of your WooCommerce experience. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!